if he can find his game and maybe get new life in another market.
Stay
tuned.
The dilemma for Ron Francis, I would think, is you have a team that hasn't seen much playoff action since they won a Stanley Cup. They're in a race for a playoff spot, and you get rid of the captain of the team. And bang!
He's not getting up.
And that is Pesce, and he is hurt. His play will now be stopped. Or pardon me, that's not Pesce, that's Nestrasil.
He went in a real awkward way. And as you can see, he is in some considerable pain at the moment as he went right hard into the board. And here's the play here. As Riley has him tied up. Here comes Kadri. And knocks him right into the boards. Nestrasil here had the puck.
Just watching.
Shoulder check.
Is it the head or the back that absorbs?
We're not going to guess, but I don't have this is a shoulder check with the player that had the puck. I mean, with that hit, just a tough play. And Nestrasil going off in some considerable pain at the moment.
And the couple angles we saw, if you want to look for